Have a crosswind runway here, but it's only about 150 feet long, so be a little tight.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'd like to direct your attention to Show Center. You're seeing a scale Cub. It's being flown by Jeff Dreyer from the ground. There's no pilot in the aircraft itself, of course. This is a 50% scale J3 Cub. It has an electric 10 horsepower motor and has about 9 pounds of lithium batteries. This is done in the traditional hazel sig color scheme. And here today we have Larry, who's going to talk to us a little bit about some of these radio-controlled aircraft today.
Thank you. Yes, Jeff is just about to do a roll there with his clipped wing Cub. And it's, like was mentioned, it's a 50% scale. He's doing a hammerhead stall there with his Cub.
That's cool.
And
why don't you tell us a little bit about the construction of this aircraft? How long did it take for him to build it, first of all?
well, it took Jeff about 2 years to build it from scratch. This isn't a kit. You have to go out and, I was going to say cut the trees down, but just about that. He does another roll again, but about 2 years in the making. And he built it basically in his basement and assembled it in his hazing room.
All right.
Looks like Jeff is just about to touch down his Cub there.
Fly very, very slowly.
I think he's going to be okay as long as he doesn't hit that big cement thing out there.
Oh,
He made that.
look at that, look at that, and
Well done.
nice.
Well,
Oh.
save the crop.
Yep.
Well done, Jeff.
Out here on my own. Now I know it's too hard for us to just hold on.
During the Second World War, 431 Squadron completed 2,600 operational missions.